Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make a template for a off-road vehicle. This is the KRX 1000 Teryx, and basically you're just going to lay the vinyl or whatever you're going to put right on there. You can see these seams, these not seams, but these corners, and that's what you're going to trace. You're going to take your pin, you're going to set it right there. I usually stick my thumb right underneath it and just follow it. So as you can see, we'll trace in the lines, making sure everything's nice and tucked really good, and go off and do the whole thing. These are the fenders. You would lay the vinyl across here same way as I did that. And all of these you're just going to push with your finger, get that nice and edge. Then you just take your pin and just trace it right out. Same thing as here. You're going to use this edge here. You're going to go up that edge, or sorry about that. You're going to come down this edge, right back up this, and that's how you make a template. It's not hard. Just trace it all out. Once you're done with that, make sure you get it nice and close as possible. Then from there you'll send it to me and I'll digitize it. And see, like down here where you can't really see, you're just going to push as hard as you can till you can get that edge to show up. See, now you can see it. And if you can't get your finger in there, just get up in there and get right down in here and just go straight with it. Round it off same way. Same way here. You'll take your pin. Okay. You can have little weird edges like this that are not straight, because when I make the digitize, I'm just going to straighten it all out. Anyway, that's how you do it. Same on doors. Same on here. If you wanted to do your dash, you're just going to lay it in there. Follow these edges. We're going to go inside there. You follow that edge. Anyway, that's the way it's done. It's not hard. Just time consuming.